How to Draw Neck and Shoulders by Alexander Rishkin. In this video lesson, we will learn how to correctly connect a head with the neck and the neck with shoulders in portrait drawing. We also start from the width of shoulders by marking two edges. These two edges are connected and the width of shoulders is divided in half. This would be the pit of the neck. The base of the neck is tilted. There is an oval that marks the base of the neck. At the back, it coincides with the seventh vertebra of the neck. The outlines of the trapezius muscle go from the edges of the shoulders to the seventh vertebra. The contours from the pit of the neck point to the shoulder edges and then change this direction, repeating the outlines of the trapezius muscle. Such geometry describes the curvature of the shoulder's surface. The collarbone starts from the pit of the neck, where the top of the breastbone is. Then the collarbone runs around the cylinder of the neck. This cylinder has a tilted base, the curvature of which is repeated by the two collarbones. The pair of collarbones resembles a Cupid's bow. At the lateral edge, the collarbone connects to the shoulder blade, the bony end of which is called the acromion. The outline of the trapezius muscle points to the beginning of the deltoid muscle. Such a transition of one outline to another happens approximately in the middle of the collarbone, where this bone changes its curvature. In the middle of the deltoid muscle, there is a pit in the arm. When drawing these pits, you need to make sure that these landmarks are on the same level in parallel perspective. The virtual line of the symmetry of the chest points to the end of the breastbone. There are several planes of the chest with different angles that can be portrayed by cross contours. You need to remember these planes because you won't see them in a model unless you know what to look for. Coming back to the neck, you know that the neck muscle runs from the pit of the neck and the collarbone to the base of the skull behind the ear. So, it is easier to mark the location of an ear first and then continue with the chin. This way, you will avoid mistakes in drawing when connecting the head with the neck. The back outline of the neck is formed by the trapezius muscle. The base of the skull is on the same level as the ear. The side surface of the neck is formed by the neck muscle. The cross contours will spiral to the base of the neck, circling portions of the neck muscle. The pipe of the throat gives additional volume on the front surface of the neck. It runs at an angle, gradually disappearing in the middle of the neck. In the three-quarter view drawing, you need to use constructive drawing principles to position the head, neck, and shoulders correctly.